Liz, my darling, is something that we always help you. Keep it in your heart. Mom, don't go, please. I will always gonna be with you.
My mother won't help you. We're completely alone.
These were my mom's last words. I can still remember her singing this song so happily and my father with a huge smile in his face. I used to be so thankful for having the best parents ever, but unfortunately, this is the last memory I have. They were the last people I saw. My mom was beautiful, so gentle, so kind, and was a great musician. And my father was my hero. Since that, I've lived with my Aunt Charlotte. Can you give me the knife, please?
Didn't I told you to take care of my things, Sophie? Don't mess the house around.
Hey Liz,
Hey Ryan.
where's the list of books you want to give me?
It's here.
Okay. Liz, when did you request some books in Europe?
See that girl? She's blind and she comes in every day to read these books. I never seen such a determined girl like her.
Oh, nice.
Hey, Sophie. Hi, Liz. Finished? Yeah. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
So, what song is that?
I don't know its name.
Well, it seems you're doing a fantastic job.
I'm just playing something at random. Do you like music?
Oh, it's my passion.
So, do you play anything?
Oh, I wish I could.
Fan, wrong answer.
But I can see the
Fan, wrong answer again. What's your name?
Sophie.
Would you like to learn how to play?
Yes, but I can't play it.
Let's do a deal. You teach me how to read and I'll teach you how to play the guitar.
Yes, we can do that.
Alright, so see you tomorrow, Sophie.
Okay, bye.
What is this, Sophie?
Oh, désolé, Aunt.
What?
Oh, désolé means I'm sorry in French.
I don't know why you wasted so much of your time doing this. Bye, Sophie.
Wait, are you not gonna eat the breakfast that I made for us?
I'm not hungry.
There you are.
Oh, any doubt I'll be here?
Well, people usually don't keep their promise to me.
Well, so do you still want to teach me?
If you keep your promise too?
I didn't. Come with me.
Alright, but where to?
Wait and see.
Oh, I have never seen so many books in the same place.
Have you never been to a library before?
No, never.
Oh.
Hey Sophie.
Hi, Liz.
I can see you brought a friend.
Yeah, this is Jack, my friend.
Hi Jack. What do you guys need for today?
Oh, can you bring us Cinderella, please?
Oh yeah. Wait. It's here.
Where are we going?
Oh, we're gonna teach you. you're so silent.
I was reading my new book, lady.
Oh.
Ready to ready some music?
Oh, more than ready.
So sit down here.
Okay.
Here. All right. Have you ever felt a guitar before?
I remember my mom playing when I was too young, but I never felt one before.
Okay, but things are really
Oh, it's cold. What time is it?
It's 6 p.m.
Oh my God, it's too late. I gotta go now.
Wait, but take this one.
No, I can't.
But you have to practice. Just promise me you're going to take care of it.
Okay, I promise.
So, see you tomorrow.
Okay, bye, Jack.
Bye.
Who is there?
Hey, you look so much like your mother.
Uncle Richard, what are you
Yes.
doing here? Shouldn't you be in the army right now?
I had a little free time, so I thought about coming here and see my favorite girl. I miss you, Sophie.
Oh, I miss you too.
So, I see you are following your mother's steps.
Well, I'm trying to.
Let me see what you can do.
Okay. So, what do you think?
I think you are excellent, and tomorrow's the big day, isn't it? I can't believe my little Sophie is turning 16. Got a present for you.
Oh, is that a dress?
Yes, a dress, but not only a dress. This is your mother's wedding dress.
I'm speechless.
Do you like it?
If I like it, I love it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm Sophie, but I have to go now. But if you need anything, you can always call me, and I will return as soon as I can, okay?
Okay, bye. Be careful. I
Okay.
want my favorite uncle back.
Bye, darling.
Bye.
Come on, hurry.
Wait.
Wait, what? It's raining.
Feel it.
You want the rain?
No, pay attention to the sound. Close your eyes.
Yeah, it's great. But we have to go now. Sophie, this is mine.
Oh, hi.
Sophie, right. We heard so much about you.
Oh, something good, I hope.
Girl, you had no idea.
And everything's going to work. Oh my God, Sophie!
What? What is it?
It's going to have a concert for new talent. You have to participate.
No, I'm not good enough.
Stop. You are really good and you have to participate.
Fine, but I don't think I can win.
There's not about winning. You teach me a lesson that you have to follow all of your dreams. So now you're going to take your own advice.
Okay, I'm in.
So let's go. Go.
Yes.
All right. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
What is that smile, Sophie?
I'm gonna perform it in theater tomorrow, just like my mom did.
It's enough to me to hear this stupid idea from your mother too.
But it's my dream and I would love to have you there.
Sophie, even if she's dead, she's everywhere. Can I just have my moment? Can I just don't steal my light just like your mother did?
Okay.
Go to your room, Sophie. This prize should be mine. What the hell are you doing here?
Where is Sophie?
Not here.
So what, we're going alone?
I just don't care.
You are so evil. You need to forget all your anger about Vicky. It was not her fault that you broke your golden hand on that day.
And she was way better than you.
She stole every piece of happiness that I had.
No, she didn't. You made it yourself. Don't blame the others for that. And the most important, don't blame Sophie. At least you are going with me to the concert, yes?
No, of course not.
Okay, fine. Live the way you want to. But if one day you need someone, remember that no one's going to be there for you.
They're going to see her, but she's as bad as her mother was. It's going to be a circus, and I'm not going to lose this. Oh, Sophie, you just forgot one thing. You are blind.
And now, Sophie Lancaster.
You look wonderful from there.
Uncle Richard?
Yes.
Why, you made it. You're here.
Did you really think that I could miss it?
Oh, thanks.
You looked great, girl.
Oh, Charlotte?
Yes. Look, Sophie. I hope someday you can forgive me if I treat you badly, but I'm sorry, okay?
Apology accepted.
Let's go to my house and commemorate. I mean, our house. Come on.
Now,
That's the right answer.